Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Whimsy Tricks. And today we have a fantastic topic to discuss that's all about frugal living. We'll explore how your kitchen cabinets can be powerful tools to enhance your frugal lifestyle and make your life better. If you're ready to optimize your space and save some money, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our frugal living tips. Now, let's dive into the world of maximizing your kitchen cabinets. Organizing your kitchen cabinets. The first step in leveraging your kitchen cabinets for frugal living is organization. By keeping your cabinets neat and tidy, you can easily access what you need and avoid unnecessary purchases. Consider using containers, labels, and shelf organizers to create a system that works for you. This way, you'll always know what you have in stock and what needs to be replenished. Stockpiling smartly. Now, let's talk about the art of stockpiling. Your kitchen cabinets can be a goldmine for frugal living if you stock up on essentials during sales and discounts. Whether it's non-perishable food items, cleaning supplies, or toiletries, having a well-stocked cabinet means you won't have to run to the store every time you need something. It's not just about saving money but also saving time and gas. Cooking from scratch. One of the best ways to embrace frugal living is by cooking from scratch, and your kitchen cabinets play a crucial role in this. By having basic ingredients like flour, sugar, spices, and canned goods at your fingertips, you can whip up delicious and cost-effective meals. It's not just about saving money on takeout, it's about enjoying homemade meals that are healthier and budget-friendly. Repurposing and upcycling. Let's get creative. Your kitchen cabinets can be a source of inspiration for repurposing and upcycling items. Old jars can become storage containers, and unused dishes can turn into trendy decor pieces. By giving a new life to items you already have, you not only save money but also contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. It's a win-win. D-projects. Your kitchen cabinets can be transformed into a DIY haven. Whether it's refinishing cabinet doors, painting, or adding new hardware, these projects can give your kitchen a fresh look without breaking the bank. Get creative, watch some tutorials, and make your kitchen cabinets the centerpiece of your frugal living journey. Meal planning. Meal planning is a game changer for frugal living. Utilize your kitchen cabinets to store ingredients for planned meals. This not only helps you stick to a budget but also reduces food waste. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and shop your cabinets before heading to the store. Batch cooking. Batch cooking is another fantastic strategy. Use your kitchen cabinets to store pre-prepared meals in portioned containers. This not only saves you time during busy days but also prevents the temptation to order takeout. You'll be surprised at how much money and time you can save with a little weekend batch cooking. Herb and vegetable gardens. Transform a part of your kitchen cabinets into a mini herb or vegetable garden. Growing your own herbs and veggies not only adds freshness to your meals but also reduces your grocery bill. Utilize small pots and place them near a window to ensure they get enough sunlight. Use every inch of space. When it comes to frugal living, every inch of space matters. Install additional shelves or hooks inside your cabinets to maximize storage. This allows you to store more items efficiently and reduces the need for extra storage solutions. Create a budget-friendly coffee station. If you're a coffee lover, consider creating a budget-friendly coffee station in one of your kitchen cabinets. Store coffee beans, filters, and mugs in an organized manner. This not only saves counter space but also prevents the need for expensive daily coffee shop visits. Utilize vertical space. Don't forget to use the vertical space inside your cabinets. Invest in stacking shelves or risers to make the most of the height in your cabinets. This is especially useful for storing items like baking sheets, cutting boards, and trays efficiently. Rotate and monitor expiry dates. Keep a close eye on the expiry dates of items in your cabinets. Create a system to rotate items, placing newer purchases at the back. Cleaning supplies. Your kitchen cabinets can also be a hub for DIY cleaning supplies. Store basic ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. With these, you can create your own eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solutions. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought cleaners. Utilize freezer-friendly containers. Invest in freezer-friendly containers and use your kitchen cabinets to store pre-prepared freezer meals. This is an excellent way to take advantage of bulk purchases, seasonal sales, and leftovers. Having a stash of ready-to-go frozen meals can save you money on spontaneous takeout. Embrace minimalism. Consider embracing a minimalist approach to your kitchen cabinets. Keep only the items you truly need and use regularly. By decluttering, you not only create a more organized space, but also reduce the temptation to buy unnecessary items during shopping trips. D-pantry labels. Add a personal touch to your frugal living journey by creating DIY labels for your pantry items. This not only adds a decorative element to your kitchen but also makes it easier to find what you need. Get creative with materials you already have, like old cardboard or craft paper. Swap and share with neighbors. Extend your frugal living efforts beyond your kitchen cabinets by organizing neighborhood swaps. Share surplus items with neighbors and trade goods. This not only helps you save money but also fosters a sense of community. Repurpose old furniture. Think beyond traditional kitchen cabinets. Repurpose old furniture like bookshelves or dressers to serve as additional storage in your kitchen. You can often find affordable second-hand furniture and give it a new life in your frugal living space. Explore the world of food preservation using your kitchen cabinets. Learn how to can fruits and vegetables, make jams, or even try pickling. This allows you to take advantage of seasonal produce at its lowest cost and enjoy it throughout the year. Financial tracking station. Transform a section of your kitchen cabinets into a financial tracking station. Keep budgeting tools, coupons, and receipts organized in this dedicated space. It serves as a visual reminder of your frugal goals and helps you stay on track. I hope these tips provide even more inspiration for turning your kitchen cabinets into powerful tools for frugal living. Remember, it's all about making intentional choices that align with your goals. If you have other creative ways to maximize kitchen cabinet space, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Whimsy Tricks. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more frugal living tips. Until next time, happy saving!